be a
Okay.
student of the Bible, to be a practitioner of the
Almusal time,
Bible,
bigay
and
ng
to be
Panginoon Diyos.
advocates of the Bible.
Ito
Even
pan,
though the Bereans were
with pansit.
uh, people who lived during that time, but the spirit of the Bereans, the character of the Bereans must be found in us. Let us develop that noble apostolic
Palaman, peanut
character.
butter.
We
Konti na
must
lang.
know our scriptures, eagerly receive the scriptures,
Yan.
and in that way, we can be able to
Kape.
become the men and the women shaped and
Yan.
formed by the Word of God. Once
Lahat ng
again,
inyong
this is
nakita,
Apostle Jonathan
binigay ng
Fariol
Panginoon Diyos sa
greeting
Mateo
you
6:9.
special
Ama
for
namin
our
nasa langit ka.
podcast
In verse
on the
11,
Apostle State
bigyan mo
in
kami
this
ng aming
historic
kakanin
city
araw-araw.
of
Hanggang dito na
Revilla
lamang,
in
kaibigan.
Greece.
Itong inyong kaibigan
God
kay Jesus.
bless you all.
Brother Manny Bautista. God bless us all. Bye.